What's going on, guys? This is Easy Breezy, and we have a brand new hair sponsor today. Thank you so much, OMGqueen Hair. They sent me this kinky straight lace front wig. And modeling today, we have YouTube's very own CRIMPS. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys a little background story. So I've been following CRIMPS on Instagram for like a year now. And this time last year, I would look on her page and her YouTube and just admire it. And I don't know, I just really liked her and she inspired me to become more present on YouTube and just more consistent. So thank you so much, girl. And now you're in my chat. Alright, so I'm applying the glue now, and she let me know that she wants it a little further down on her forehead, which is perfectly normal. So I'm gonna go ahead and do probably like a whole inch in between the glue and her hairline. Now I'm gonna take the back of my tweezers and spread the glue out. Alright, let's let that first coat turn clear. Now we can go ahead and add our second coat of glue. And let me say this, I appreciate her so much because during this session, she was giving me so many tricks about YouTube and how to gain more sponsors and just make money, and I just appreciate everything she was telling me. And to me, she's like a YouTube OG, so I was definitely soaking it all in. And that's how I feel people just in general should be. Like, if you see someone in your industry that's, trying and wanting to collab, why not? Give them advice and help them out and give them knowledge. Alright, so when both coats of glue turn clear but don't get completely dry, it still has to be a little tacky, then we can go ahead and place our lace down. So now we can give the lace a good press. So now after I brushed out all the loose hairs in the frontal, now I can take my scissors and cut the excess lace off the front. Alright, looking real voluminous, real juicy, you know what I'm saying? And she said she never had this texture hair too, so I'm really excited. So I'm taking my green alcohol and rubbing that eyeliner off. So now let's get some baby hairs in the works. I'm gonna take my comb and pot out a thin row of hair in the front. Alright, so now we're gonna mold it because we're trying to get a side part. So I'm gonna take my tropical root setting foam, pump it over the top of the hair and comb it through. All right, so now let's take our scissors and cut the baby hairs about 1 inch all the way around. So to mold my baby hair, I'm going back to my Gorilla Snot. If you watch my videos, you know I go back and forth between Gorilla Snot and Got To Be Glue. And I mean, there is a difference. Gorilla Snot is a lot more sticky. Got To Be Glue is not as sticky, but they still both get dry and make the baby hair nice and hard. If I had a preference, I would probably choose, oh gosh, this is a hard one. I might, oh gosh, I can't. I'm gonna choose, I choose both. And y'all can see I'm using my comb and smooth method to create the shape for the baby hair. Comb with your right hand and smooth with your left. Now I'm going to take my green alcohol and cleanse off the rest of the gel that's on her forehead. And y'all already know I can never skip this part. I always have to take my tweezers and pluck the part so it's more defined. We is done. So now I'm going to take my black wrap it over the top, and we're going to hit it with the blow dryer for about 3 to 5 minutes, really just so the baby hair and the top can dry. Okay, I am loving this texture and I'm loving this whole hairstyle, but we're gonna take it up a notch and I think I'm gonna do some crimps.
No, I uploaded a video the other day, like it was like 30 seconds or a minute, and it got so much views, but it wasn't in 1080p. So I was like, man, I'm sorry, I can't have a video in 380? Yeah. I can't, so I deleted it. And
really?
And then I reposted it, nothing. I was like,
yeah, it's literally like the time.
You have to be
day.
so perfect.
Yeah.
With
it
the time.
depends on just the universe, like when are people online?
Yes.
I don't know. You're right. What's it called?
Algorithms.
Did I say
She's saying it right. You're saying it wrong.
All right, so now that the crimps are done, I can break it up, play with it, and kind of sculpt it until it looks the way I want it to. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Once again, thank you so much, OMG Queen, for this yaki straight lace front wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I've never done crimps on yaki hair, so this is definitely a first.